It is given that a metal rod at a temperature of 150 degrees Celsius radiate energy at the rate of 20 watts. The temperature is increased to 300 degrees Celsius, then it will radiate at the rate of. So the temperature in the first situation is given as nothing but 150, which is given in degree Celsius scale. So we need to convert it into Kelvin scale. So we can write this will be equal to nothing but 423 Kelvin. And in second situation, the temperature becomes equal to nothing but 300 degrees Celsius. So we can write it as, if you are converting into Kelvin scale, it will be equal to 573. Then our aim is to find out the ratio of the amount of energy which is radiated per second. So you can write the power radiated by an object is equal to E sigma A, temperature of object raised to 4. So you can write the power in second situation by power in first situation will be equal to temperature of object in second situation by temperature of object in first situation raised to 4. So the value of P2 can be written as nothing but P1. P1 is given as nothing but 20 into T2 is nothing but 573 and P1 is nothing but 223 raised to 4. So if you are further calculating it, we'll get as it is 20 into this 573 divided by 423 around 1.35460099 raised to, if you are going for raised to 4, then you'll get near to some values like 3.367. So if you are multiplying with 20, you'll get the answer as around 67.3.